This is an interesting time to live in. The SEC has made an appeal against Ripple, but a lot of crypto experts think it was all a trick. We were disappointed that things didn't work out the way we had hoped. But don't be scared right away. Pros are sure that our favorite coin will have a bright future. They say that XRP Ripple will cost $589. And trust me, you can't miss a strong signal like that. You'll be amazed by that movie. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. For years, the legal fight between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has been the talk of the crypto world. It has huge effects on Ripple's XRP token and the whole cryptocurrency industry. From December 2020 to 2023, this case took a huge turn when Judge Analisa Torres ruled in favor of Ripple and said that secondary sales of XRP were not securities. This looked like a clear win for Ripple, but the SEC's appeal has sparked a new battle and people are very angry. In a strong tweet, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, showed how frustrated people were at the time. It doesn't surprise me. I'm mad. I don't like that the SEC is wasting money on a fight they aren't going to win. It makes me mad that they can do what they want without any consequences. No matter what, we will win. Due to Ripple. To the XRP army and the coin business. Not only did his words show how hard things are for the company, but they also showed how angry people are in the crypto community about what many see as too much government regulation. And many people are confused and angry about why the SEC keeps going after Ripple. Elon Musk, a famous person who has said what he thinks about many things, weighed in with a simple but powerful question. It doesn't make sense. XRP is not a stock. Is one that thinks the SEC's position is out of date and hurts growth in the industry. It was a big deal for the crypto space when Ripple won a court case last year that proved XRP's secondary market sales are not stocks. The SEC is not giving up, though. The government has officially filed for an appeal, which brings new important dates to light. The SEC is supposed to turn in its opening brief by December 2nd, 2024. It's likely that they'll ask for more time, though, and ask for January 2025. Instead. Soon after, Ripple will file a cross appeal. The court battle could last well into 2025, and there won't be a clear winner until 2026. Fred Rispoli, a lawyer, says the case could last until 2027 or even later if it goes to the U.S. Supreme Court. Even with these legal delays, some well-known people in the XRP community are still hopeful. Oscar Ramos, a famous crypto expert, gave his opinion. I have some bad news for people who own XRP. CC makes a case. Case of Ripple. The price of XRP drops after notice. Everyone knows that Gary is a jerk and a sore loser. Ripple will win once more and beat the bad guys. Many people who support XRP are sure that Ripple will win again, as shown by what he said, even though the CC is still working on it. XRP user Zan XRP also added a message of comfort. You should read it over and over, especially when you're sad. No matter what the SEC does, it won't change anything for XRP, as I told you many times. XRP is safe. The SEC is only making itself look bad. Things are still going as planned with XRP. The people who use XRP are very sure of this, which has come together to support Ripple, sure that the SEC's attempts to slow things down will fail in the end. There is more going on in the Ripple v. SEC case than just a court case. This fight is a sign of how cryptocurrencies will be regulated in the US in the future. If Ripple wins, the decision could make the rules for the whole crypto market more clear. But if the case drags on for too long, it could hurt market trust and make rules less clear. Is it clear? The fact that neither Ripple nor the XRP community is giving up. This fight isn't just for Ripple. As Garlinghouse said, it's for the whole crypto business. There are a lot of formal steps that need to be taken, and the road ahead may be long, but the stakes could not be higher. Not only will the next few months decide the future of XRP, but they will also decide how cryptocurrency is controlled in the US as a whole. As the dates for the SEC's appeals and possible decisions in 2025 and beyond get near, the XRP community will stay alert and hold on to their belief that they will win. Now, though, things really get interesting. Even though there is still a lot of legal trouble going on, XRP Ripple is about to grow very quickly, which is getting the attention of top crypto experts. Their big predictions are shocking everyone in the neighborhood. I promise you that you won't want to miss what's next. Things could get very different if these bullish signs keep coming up. Do not leave yet, because what is about to happen will amaze you. So, people in the crypto world are talking more and more about XRP and Ripple. They are making bold predictions and having strong feelings about it. You know, it's been a wild ride if you've been following the SEC Ripple story, but amidst the chaos, more and more people think that XRP is about to make a big move that could leave even its staunchest doubters speechless. Ito Farina, a famous supporter of XRP, said it best when he wrote, "That's your choice, but waiting more than 5 years to sell at $5 could be the worst thing you ever do." Many people who have held on to their XRP through good times and bad agree with this statement. They're not in this for the short term. They're in it for the long haul because they want to make a lot more money than the $5 price tag. XRP's price changes have been closely linked to its ongoing legal fight with the SEC, and the most recent appeal has made things even less clear. The price of XRP is still going down after falling 15%. But a lot of experienced buyers know that it's usually the darkest before the dawn. This is not the first time that XRP has come back from a bad spot. Look at the year 2020. After the SEC's first case, the price of XRP dropped sharply, but within months, it rose dramatically, going from 17 cents to almost $2. There is real evidence for this kind of huge upswing. It comes from how the token has behaved in the past. That's right, Crypto Carlos. A similar gain now could take XRP above $6, which would be a 1,100% increase. It's easy to feel the excitement about XRP's future when analysts like Almanix make even more optimistic predictions, citing a possible $589 goal. Almanix's guess comes from looking at technical data, especially the identical triangle shape that XRP has been making for years. He said, "This will happen no matter how much you deny it. This shows how sure he is of himself." But this confidence isn't just based on guesswork. Since 2018, when it hit its previous all-time high, XRP has become much more useful. At that time, the rise was mostly caused by guesswork. But now XRP is used in more real-world situations and is built into more banking systems. According to Good Morning Crypto, speculation and more usefulness could make XRP go even higher than its 2017 rise. The fact that XRP is getting a lot of attention from big businesses makes this seem more likely than it really is. There are moves being made by even well-known businessmen. One investor in digital assets, for example, bought $589 worth of XRP first thing in the morning, which adds to the belief that a huge price increase is coming soon. People in the area know that something big is about to happen. In the end, there's more to XRP than meets the eye. There is a trend. Even though there are legal problems and market fluctuations, people are even more sure of XRP's long-term promise. The question is whether you will be there when the breakout takes place. Because Ito Farina told us that missing the rise of XRP could be one of the worst things we ever do. The story doesn't end here, though. It's actually just the beginning of the fun. There's something even bigger going on behind the scenes than the positive mood in the community. How would you feel if I told you that Ripple's XRP was about to take over the world? There were years when it seemed like just another crypto myth. Now, though, we know something that changes everything. No one can ignore this. I promise you that what's next will blow your mind. Let's get right to it and find out the truth. The recent filing by Bitwise for an XRP exchange-traded product has made people in the cryptocurrency world very excited. Not long ago, Bitwise's CEO Hunter Horsley posted on Twitter that the company had properly registered the Form S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission. This move shows that XRP is becoming more important as a digital asset in the world of traditional banking. Horsley showed his excitement, saying that this report shows Bitwise's dedication to finding new ways for investors to make money in the cryptocurrency world. Let's break down an ETF so that you can understand what it means. ETFs are like a basket of assets that you can buy or sell on the stock market. They work a lot like company shares. Let's say you want to buy a bunch of different fruits. Instead of getting apples, bananas, and oranges one at a time, you could buy a fruit basket with a mix of them all. You can reach a bigger market without having to worry about how to store or take care of each item separately. In the same way, an XRP ETP lets investors profit from the value of XRP without having to buy, store, or manage the coin themselves. So why is it important for XRP to have an ETF?